A warm welcome to Samhita Degree College YouTube channel. So my name is Lakshmi Prasad. I'm a lecturer in English from Samhita Degree College. So today I would like to say an introduction regarding this communication skills and soft skills. Communication skills and soft skills. In the changing competitive scenario of 21st century, an individual or an organization at a large needs to enhance his or its skills and competence like knowledge, dynamism, self-driven, and result-oriented approach in professional way. One has to articulate one's thoughts and express ideas effectively using oral, written, and non-verbal communication skills. So the ability to deliver the information in person, in writing, and in a digital way is quite indispensable to meet professional demands. So remember, optimism, flexibility, teamwork, and initiative are the pre-requirements of any professional persons with the professional skills like communication, creativity, transparency, and energy, the dynamic energy ability. So remember, my dear children, so all the participants, so please maintain the communication, your creativity and transparency that will make you to get success in a professional way. So communication and soft skill concept oriented approach with an achievement of communication skills, writing skills and of course life skills. Now let us discuss the communication skills and soft skills. So this is the one of the foundation course in your UGC. This is for all the BCom, BCA, and all the groups, of course, all the groups. So you might have learned this communication CSS 1 in your second semester. Right now, this is for the second year's third semester. Now let us build this communication skills and soft skills course content. So why they have introduced this type of communication skills? Just in order to enhance your abilities. So apart from the writing examinations or any other things, the students must be trained in a communication. So until you are good at communication, we cannot be successful because communication plays that much important role in their life. Of course, you can speak the great speakers like Mahatma Gandhi, like Jawaharlal Nehru, and also Swami Vivekananda. These greatest speakers possess this communication skills more. So definitely, if you have a good communication skill, you will get prosper. So coming to the topic, that is course content. So this communication skills is a foundation course. So there is no other course content in that. So there are 5 units in this. There are 5 units in this. The first unit is concentrated on the pronunciation one. Pronunciation one. So why this first unit? They are specifically concentration on these 2 units are concentrated on pronunciation only because the native speakers are unable to pronounce these words in English. Are able to pronounce these words in English. So that's why we are concentrated on this pronunciation. See, if you learn this English, the sounds of English, so English is the language, is a vast language. So within this English, the sound really sounds how to pronounce the different kinds of sounds, vowels, consonants. Everything will be discussed in this chapter. So the other unit is pronunciation. What is this pronunciation? So in this pronunciation, there will be vowel accent, vowel accent. So how to stress the words, why to stress a particular words. So that will be discussed in this vowel accent. Now let us come to the intonation. What is this intonation? So intonation, the rise and the fall of pitch of a voice is called intonation. So we are supposed to, there are many situations where you have to raise your voice, you have to speak aloud, or you have to stress the word. So this intonation will be discussed in this chapter. And in this course content, these 2 units give importance for the speaking skills that could only on pronunciation. So if your pronunciation is good, then you will be the master of the language. So that's so coming to the third unit. So third unit generally they are referring to speaking skills. What is the speaking skills? Under the speaking skills, there are different sub-units. The first one is conversation skills. Of course, so daily we will be conversing with many number of pupils, a large number of groups. So, in this conversation skills, you will know about the formal conversation, informal conversation, that like that. And the other important, most important thing is that interview skills. What is this interview skills? So when you get into any kind of a company, when you are supposed to attend for an interview, so these skills will be useful for you. So if you have possess this kind of interview skills, you will be able to crack the interview easily. You can crack easily. The other one is presentation skills. So presentation skills, this is related when you hire or if you are supposed to present a thing or if you are supposed to present a project in the company or in the classroom or in the manufacturing. So these skills will be used. The other one is public speaking skills. So similarly, like the presentation skills, where the presentation skills will be presented in a room along with a projector or any kind of a format. So where the public speaking skills is somewhat similar to that, but it will be a large public group, a large number of people will be there. So the unit 4, this is the speaking skills too. Again, subdivided. So in the speaking skills too, the most important thing is that the role the many of the children or many of the persons will play a different kinds of role. Say example, when you are at home, you will be like your son to your parents. When you come to the college, you will be like a student to the teacher. When you be with your friends, you will be like a friend to a friend. So in this way, you will be changing your different kinds of roles in your regular daily life. So that what we are going to learn this. The other one is debate, of course, which you have been learning right from your school also. So debates. The other most important thing is GB. Nothing but this is group discussion. So what is this group discussion? A group of people will be here. So in this group discussion, this is the most important thing that is related to interviews. Many of the HRs will also take up group discussions. Through these group discussions, they are going to check whether the candidate is able to survive in that group of to how extent he will be the leader or he will be the team member. So this analysis, so this is the most important one. The other last unit, but not the last unit, that is the unit one. So apart from until now we have learned on the pronunciation, that is speaking, and the speaking skills and the speaking skills. So we have a couple of listening skills units and a couple of pronunciation units. So in the same way, we have the other one that is writing. Because writing is most important. So in this writing skills, you'll be covered under the spellings, which is most important. So after the spellings, you'll be given a punctuations. So see, punctuation is the most important thing. So if you are good at punctuation, then you will be able to write. And the other one is information transfer. So how this information transfer? In this information transfer, you will be having the parts, charts, diagrams, and everything. So this is the total course content of this communication skills CSS 2. Now, let us discuss the model paper CSS 2. So this model paper will be for 2 hours. So the examination pattern, university will ask you to write a question for 2 hours. And the maximum marks is 50 minutes. Maximum is 50 minutes. So however, in this, you will be having different kinds of units. From 5 units, you will get 2 questions from each unit. So example, where the very first column or the very first one, they will be asking about from the first unit. Say an example, you will be given 2 options. Either you have answer A or B. You can answer it, but each question carries 10 minutes. Each question carries 10 minutes. So very first, for example, from the first unit, they may ask you in a question of A, discuss on the sounds of English. They might ask you this question. Or you are supposed to write the phonetics. So the in question paper they will be given phonetics symbols, and you are supposed to write in the normal way of function. So they will give the phonetic transcription. So you are supposed to write the spelling of this phonetic transcription. So the second, now in the from first round you can answer A or B. So you can choose your the best one in which you are good at. So the second, from the second unit, you will be asked two questions. So the second unit is regarding the stress. So for example, they will ask to discuss on the stress. Or else they will give an option of B. So they will be giving a few words, so around 10 words. You are supposed to keep the stress marks. So it's a very easy by keeping a single comma, hyphen on the word, then you can get easily 10 minutes. That's a smart. Now, for the third, and the third round, from the third unit, you'll be given two questions. You have to answer either A or B. So you can answer. Now, from the fourth unit, they'll be given two questions again. You can answer either A or B. So this is completely a description things because are related to the speaking skills, which we have already discussed. Now, and from the fourth unit itself, you will be given option A or B. Now, and in this fourth unit, you will be having, in a B section, you will be having professions. So one column in a matching, you are supposed to match the professions. In column A, they will give in the professions, example, tailor, a doctor or something. In option, in opposite of B column, they will be giving their work mode. So you are supposed to match them. Okay, so each there will be a 10 marks one. So the last but not the least from 5. So fifth unit you will get either A or B. So from the A they will be giving you are supposed to write the punctuation marks. You are supposed to write the punctuation marks. So there will be a spelling correction also. So they will give a 5 words with the wrong spell. So you are supposed to write the spellings correctly, and in that only you are supposed to write the punctuation marks also. And in that A column and in the B column. So the last one that is the content. So you are supposed to write the T diagrams or information bar charts. Like for example, they will ask you to write a flow chart of making a mango juice. Like so, this is the whole pattern of the CSS